Hello friends, today I will discuss about Core Java tutorial 2 and today's content is number 1 compiler, interpreter, bytecode, Java development kit, Java virtual machine, Java runtime environment. I will show one by one topics. Number 1 compiler interpreter. What is compiler and what is interpreter? These are development tools and it is used for high level language programs. Is converted into machine code language is called compiler and interpreter. This means these are development tools. It is used for high level language to machine code. Converting process is called compiler and interpreter. A developer write a Java program is called high level language. For example, source code. Source code is called high level language. This is understand for users only. This is one file is created for .java file. Next, a machine code. Machine code is understanding of computer's language. It is also called bytecode. A computer is understanding language that is machine code. It's also called as bytecode. This is the name of bytecode. For example, machine code understandable language is bytecode, that is zeros and ones. This is created for one dot class file. This is called machine code. Next, compiler and interpreter is doing same job, but one difference is there. I will tell you. Compiler. Compiler is at a time complete program is scanned by once and executed, and in case any error shown in final. This means compiler is a entire program is scanned once and executed. Any errors showing on final of output. This, but interpreter is line by line checked instructions after program is executed. In case any errors on middle of the program is stop the execution and solve the error after completion of solving errors after executed program. This is called interpreter. Next I will tell you what is JVM, JRE, JDK. Next, what is bytecode? Java C compiles of JDK compiles the Java source code into bytecode so that it can be executed by JVM. This means Java C compile of JDK and compiles the Java source code into bytecode is called byte. Java C compiles JDK, the Java source code into bytecode so that it can be executed by JVM only. It is executed by JVM. JVM is executed for bytecode. The bytecode is saved in dot class file by compiler. A bytecode is the intermediate code compiler and executed by Java virtual machine. Same thing, bytecode is intermediate code compiled in Java virtual machine only. Bytecode can be used unchanged on any platform on which JVM operates. JVM is operated for any platform unchanged. The bytecode is called bytecode. Next, Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment which is used to develop applications and applets. Applets means small applications. Applications means apps. It is physical extent. That means of its shown. Let's see. It contains JRE plus development tools. That means JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment plus Java development tools is called Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit that includes JRE. That means of abbreviation of JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Compilers and various tools is on Java Development Kit like Java Java Debugger, etc. In order to create compiler and run program, you would need to JDK install on your computer. In Java developer, you must and should be installed on JDK for any code development and applications. That's why it is must and should be installed in our computer. Next, this is JDK. JDK means JRE plus development tools. JRE means we have JRE. Inside of JRE is JVM plus setup libraries plus other files. This is JRE. Development tools like Java C, Java, etc. This is called Java development tools. JRE plus Java development tools is called Java development kit. Okay, next, Java virtual machine, JVM. It is an abstract machine. That means of it is hiding. It is called a virtual machine. It is virtual. That means of online. It does not physical existence. It cannot see. It is a specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. Its specification provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other language and compiled to Java bytecode. Next, JVM are available for many hardware and software programs like JVM, JRE and JDK are platform independent because the configuration of each OS is different from each other. JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms, but JVM, JRE and JDK are dependent platforms because OS is different from each other. However, the Java platform is dependent, but Java is platform independent. These are three notations of the JVM: specifications, implementation, and instance. Next, the Java performs the following main tasks. 1. Load the code and verify code after execute code after providing runtime environment. I will show you. This is first for my program is created for .java file. After compiler, my program, that is after compiler, class file is created. The dot class is created in JVM. After JVM, so this dot Java file is converted into machine code. That means of computer understanding language is called machine code. Next, this is how Java lines of codes are converted into machine understandable code flow chart. Next, this creates intermediate source code that cannot be directly understood by processor. That cannot be understood by processor means computers. It converts Java file to dot class file. Okay, next the dot class file is imported to any machine irrespective of platform of OS. Irrespective of this dot class is imported any machine, it can use it for this program. Next, the dot class file will be converted into machine code by the Java virtual machine. The JVM is converted, the dot class is into machine code. Next, the Java virtual machine is a operating system and does the final task of the translating the intermediate code into machine code understandable code. Java virtual machine is operating the final task of translating the intermediate code, that means a bytecode to machine code. This is called JVM. Next, what is JRE? Java Runtime Environment. JRE is acronym for Java Runtime Environment. Acronym means abbreviation. JRE is an abbreviation for Java Runtime Environment. It is also written as Java RTE. It is a shortcut form Java RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. In Java Runtime Environment, set of software tools is there. That software is used for developing of Java applications. Okay, it is used to provide the runtime environment. It is provided for runtime environment. That means of run of the program. It is the implementation of JVM. It is implemented in JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. It's also some memory is there. That memory JR is stored. It is physical extent. It is physical extent means it can see that memory. It contains set of libraries plus other files that JVM uses at runtime. The implementation of JVM is also actively released by other companies based on Sun Microsystems. This is showing of JVM. What is JRE? JVM means JRE means JVM plus set of libraries plus other files is called JRE. The set of libraries are example rt.jar, etc. Thank you. This video is useful to you. Please subscribe me and like me. Thank you.